Hi everyone, welcome to Bird English. I'm Jamima. Well, moving to the updates, the Bharatiya Janata Party has denied Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia's claim that the Saffron Party invited him to join the party and in exchange offered to shut all ED and CBI cases against him. Well, reacting to the claim, BJP leader Parvesh Verma said Manish Sisodia should do pranayama every morning as he consumed bhang. He should tell the name of the person who asked him to join in the party of BJP. Even if he rubs his nose on the floor, BJP will not take him. BJP's Gaurav Bhatia alleged that the silence of Arvind Kejriwal on corruption charges in excise policy proved that he was hardcore dishonest and gave him 24 hours to time to answer questions in the connection with the case. This comes after Manish Sisodia, who is being probed by the CBI in a connection with the liquor policy, said he received a message from the Saffron Party offering to shut CBI and ED cases against him if he joined in the party of BJP. He tweeted that message and said that he would rather be beheaded than join the BJP. Sisodia was raided by the Central Bureau of Investigation for nearly 15 hours over allegations of corruption in connection with the Delhi liquor policy. Sisodia categorically denied that allegations of his corruption and said that only crime he committed was that he is the education ministry in Kejriwal's cabinet. Their issue is not the liquor scam. Their problem is Arvind Kejriwal. The proceedings against him, raids at my residence and office are to stop him. I haven't indulged any corruption activities. I'm just Arvind Kejriwal's education minister, said Sisodia. These are the updates about Arvind Kejriwal and Sisodia. Keep watching Bird English. This is Yamima signing off.